Before starting the generator, you must make sure that the door and all windows are closed. That way, no smoke gets in from outside. To start the generator, go to Rocio's control panel. The generator's panel has two positions, stop and start. It also features an hour meter. Press the button in the stop position until the button lights up red. Release and then press the button in the start position until it lights up red and you hear the engine start. Once the generator is running, you should wait a few minutes before electricity is available to connect your household appliances. You can verify this moment with the microwave. When the microwave clock lights up, it means electricity is available. Now you can turn on the air conditioner and use it while you drive. To turn off the generator, press the button in the stop position and hold it until you hear the mechanism stop running and it becomes silent. Don't forget to subscribe to see more videos like this, and the most important, don't forget to enjoy the ride. See you soon.